Chapter 1 Introduction to Building Management System BMS. Imagine a 40 FLOOR commercial building. Thousands of people are working inside. The air conditioning system is running continuously. Elevators are moving up and down all day. The fire safety system is on standby. Electricity consumption changes every second. Now imagine what would happen. Limited time offer only 199 rupees. Master Building Management System BMS. Complete guide. HVAC security energy automation. Beginner to advanced concepts. Real industry knowledge. Instant digital download with you. Boost your career in BMS and building automation today. Buy link in description and pinned comment. Download instantly after purchase. Perfect for engineers, technicians and students. Offer price 199 rupees only. Don't miss this opportunity. If all these systems had to be controlled manually, AC systems might keep running unnecessarily. Lights could be left on by mistake. Electricity bills would become extremely high. Emergency response could become slow and inefficient. This is where the building management system BMS comes in, an intelligent system that controls an entire building like a smart brain. In today's modern world, BMS is no longer just a luxury. It has become the backbone of efficiency, safety, energy saving, and automation. And in the future, BMS will transform buildings into AI-powered smart ecosystems. In this chapter, we will understand step by step what exactly is BMS, how did its history begin, why is it so important in modern buildings, what is the difference between BMS and BAS, in which buildings is it used, what are its benefits and limitations, and how far will BMS evolve in the future. Let's begin. 1. What is a building management system BMS? What is BMS? A building management system BMS is a centralized computer-based control system used to monitor and control various electrical and mechanical systems within a building. In simple language, a BMS is the digital control room of a building. It automates systems such as HVAC heating, ventilation and air conditioning, FRAM, lighting, electrical systems contain, fire alarm systems, security and access control, water management, energy monitoring, elevators, ventilation systems. Real life example, imagine it is 11 PM in a shopping mall. Shop lights automatically turn OFF, AC load is reduced, security mode becomes active, power consumption monitoring begins. All of this happens automatically through the BMS, not manually. How does a BMS work? A BMS mainly works through 4 major components. 1. Sensors. Sensors collect data from the building. Examples. Temperature sensors one parishan ko mainte huए how to you have milling pen just trust. Humidity sensors, smoke detectors, motion sensors. 2. Controllers, cries. Controllers make decisions based on sensor data. Example. If the room temperature increases, the controller automatically turns on the air conditioning system. 3. Communication network. All devices communicate with each other through communication protocols. Common protocols include BSCnet Azalter, Modbus FAR, LearnWorks. 4. Central monitoring software. Operators can monitor the entire building from a single computer screen. Why BMS matters? Today, buildings are no longer just concrete structures. They have become intelligent environments. BMS helps in saving energy, increasing equipment life, reducing human errors, improving safety, lowering operational costs. This is why the demand for BMS is growing rapidly in smart cities worldwide. 2. History and evolution of BMS. Modern BMS technology did not appear overnight. It is the result of decades of technological evolution. Earlier, manual control systems. In the early days, buildings were completely operated manually. One person managed lighting, another handled HVAC systems. Separate technicians monitored electrical systems. Problems included high manpower requirements, human errors, energy wastage, slow response times. 1960s, 1970s, basic automation, industrial automation began to grow. Buildings started using simple control panels. However, these systems had limited functionality, no centralized monitoring. 1980s, computerized BMS. This period marked the beginning of the real revolution. Computers started monitoring building systems. Benefits included centralized control, alarm monitoring, scheduling, energy tracking. 1990s, networking and communication protocols. Different building systems started connecting with each other. Protocols such as BSCnet, Modbus, KNX allowed HVAC and lighting systems to communicate together. 2000s. The smart building era, the internet and IoT completely changed the industry. New features included remote monitoring, web dashboards, mobile access data analytics. Today, AI and cloud-based BMS. Modern BMS is no longer just a control system. Today's systems can perform predictive maintenance, optimize energy usage, make AI-based decisions, provide cloud integration. Buildings are now becoming intelligent enough to think on their own. And in the future, autonomous buildings are coming. 3. Purpose of BMS in modern buildings. Many people think BMS is only used to control air conditioning systems. In reality, its purpose is much larger. Main purposes of BMS: 1. Energy efficiency. Modern buildings consume huge amounts of electricity. BMS helps by preventing unnecessary power usage, optimizing electrical loads, giving terbadi worth in magnet area. Optimani operations in the version Nevert. Our coating theories or is now in this core calculation. Mahilivet, sometimes in the Samman, managing peak demand. Result: lower electricity bills. 2. Comfort improvement. Imagine an office where some people feel too cold while others feel too hot. BMS helps balance indoor conditions through temperature control to humidity control, air quality management. 3. Safety enhancement. During emergencies, BMS can become a life-saving system. Example: if smoke is detected, fire alarms are activated, ventilation systems are controlled, emergency exits are unlocked. 4. Operational efficiency. Facility managers can manage the entire building from a single screen. This leads to reduced manpower requirements, faster response times, easier maintenance barrel up ROI. 5. Equipment protection profession. Machines and systems are continuously monitored. If abnormal conditions are detected, alerts are generated, systems may automatically shut down. This helps prevent costly equipment breakdowns. Limited time offer only 199 rupees. Master Building Management System BMS. Complete guide. HVAC security energy automation. Beginner to advanced concepts. Real industry knowledge. Instant digital download wiki. Boost your career in BMS and building automation today. Buy link in description and pinned comment. Download instantly after purchase. Perfect for engineers, technicians and students. Offer price 199 rupees only. Don't miss this opportunity.